Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. This is Khawaja, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Learn English with Mr. Khawaja. Here on this channel, I help you speak English. I help you improve your English as you practice with me. It's lesson number 12, and today's lesson is about useful verbs with their appropriate prepositions. The first verb is listen, and the preposition is to. Sentence: He is listening to the news. Repeat after me. Is he listening to the news? Yes, he is. He is listening to the news. Was he listening to a dialogue? Yes, he was. He was listening to a dialogue. The next verb is speak, and the preposition is to. I should speak to the boys about their behavior. Repeat after me. Will you speak to the boys about their behavior? Answer: Sure, I will. I'll speak to them about their behavior. Will you speak to the boys about their behavior? Sure, I will. I'll speak to them about their behavior. The next verb is apologize. It has two prepositions, for and to. Apologize for is for the mistake, and apologize to is for the person. Repeat after me. Should he go and apologize to your sister? Yes, he must go and apologize to my sister for his mistake. Yes, he must go and apologize to my sister for his mistake. The next verb is belong, and the preposition is to. Belong to. Sentence: These books belong to my brother. Repeat after me. Do these books belong to your brother? Yes, these books belong to my brother. Repeat after me. Do these books belong to your brother? Answer: Yes, these books belong to my brother. The next verb is happen, and preposition is to. Repeat after me. What happened to her at the party? What happened to her at the party? The answer: She was insulted at the party. She was insulted at the party. The next verb is turn, and the preposition is the same, to, turn to. And to turn to someone means to go to someone for help when you're having difficulty dealing with a situation or something. So turn to means to go to someone for help when you're having difficulty in dealing with a situation or something. Repeat after me. In times of crisis, whom do you turn to? In times of crisis, whom do you turn to? Answer: I usually turn to my father in times of crisis. I usually turn to my father in times of crisis. The next verb is wait, and the preposition is for. Repeat after me. Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? Answer. I am waiting for my brother. Whom are you waiting for? I am waiting for my brother. The next verb is look, and the preposition is for. Repeat after me. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Answer. I am looking for my pen that I put here 10 minutes ago. I am looking for my pen that I put here 10 minutes ago. The next verb, ask. Preposition for. Repeat after me. Will he get it if he doesn't ask for it? Will he get it if he doesn't ask for it? Answer. No, he won't get it if he doesn't ask for it. No, he won't get it if he doesn't ask for it. Won't is a contraction for will not. So instead of will not, you can use won't, W-O-N''T, won't. No, he won't get it if he doesn't ask for it. The next verb is apply. Preposition for. Repeat after me. What are you applying for? What are you applying for? Answer. I'm applying for a new job today. I am applying for a new job today. The next verb is blame and preposition is for. Repeat after me. Does she always blame him for everything? Does she always blame him for everything? Answer. Yes, she does. She always blames him for everything. Whenever something goes wrong, she blames him for this thing or for everything. So whenever something goes wrong, she blames him for it. The next verb is care. Preposition for. Repeat after me. Whom's that poor woman caring for? Whom's that poor woman caring for? Answer. That poor woman is caring for her sick child nowadays. That poor woman is caring for her sick child nowadays. The next verb is long and preposition is for. And long for means to desire deeply. Repeat after me. Does he long for a vacation? Does he long for a vacation? Yes, he does. He longs for a vacation. Actually, he hasn't had a vacation for a long time. Actually, he hasn't had a vacation for a long time. Does he long for a vacation? It means, does he have a deep desire to have a vacation? Vacation means a period of holidays. Does he long for a vacation? Yes, he does. He longs for a vacation because he hasn't had a vacation for a long time. The next verb is head, preposition for. And head for means to be going in a certain direction. Repeat after me. Are they heading west or east? Are they heading west or east? Answer. They are heading for their destination, and their destination is in the west. They are heading for their destination, and their destination is in the west. They are heading west, and I think they will reach there in 10 hours. They are heading west, and I think they'll reach there in 10 hours. They are heading for their destination, and they will reach there in 10 hours. To head for somewhere is also used when the person goes straight to that thing. For example, what's his favorite shelf in the grocery store, or what's his favorite shelf in the grocery shop? And the answer, when shopping with his mom, he heads straight for the cake shelf. Repeat after me. What's his favorite shelf in the grocery store? Answer. When shopping with his mom, he heads straight for the cake shelf. He likes cakes very much. When shopping with his mom, he heads straight for the cake shelf. He likes cakes very much. I hope this much is enough today. I'll get in touch with you in the next video. Take care. Keep repeating, keep improving. Goodbye.